National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Keller to Arlington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Euless, DeSoto, Bedford, Grapevine, and Cedar Hill around 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Carrollton, Lancaster, Farmers Branch, and Cockrell Hill around 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Dallas Love Field around 9:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. University Park, Addison, Highland Park, and Hutchins around 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mesquite, Richardson, and Bulk Springs around 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Garland around 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Rowlett and Satchsea around 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage.